Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we are diving into what many consider the best Colehaan outlet sneaker, the men's Grand Crosscourt 2. If you're on the hunt for a stylish, comfortable, and versatile sneaker, this could be exactly what you need. The Colehaan men's Grand Crosscourt 2 sneaker is a sleek, low-top shoe crafted entirely from 100% leather, making it a premium option in the fashion sneaker category. Its design draws inspiration from classic sports styles but adds a tailored casual flair that fits effortlessly into your everyday wardrobe. Whether you're dressing up for a casual office day or heading out for a weekend gathering, these sneakers provide just the right balance of sophistication and comfort. One of the standout features is the construction. The shoe boasts an injection-molded outsole with strategically placed rubber pods on the heel and forefoot to enhance durability and grip. This design also supports natural foot movement, which is essential for all-day wear. Inside, the sneaker is lined with textile, adding to the comfort and breathability without compromising on style. The Grand Crosscourt 2 is part of Colehaan's Grand 360 design and engineering comfort technology. This means the shoe is engineered to provide cushioning and support in all the right places, ensuring your feet feel well cared for even after extended wear. The sneaker is surprisingly lightweight, weighing just under 8 ounces, which helps reduce foot fatigue. Available in a variety of colors including classic tan burnished leather, black, and white accents, this shoe easily complements a wide range of outfits. From denim and chinos to casual suits, the design is versatile enough to elevate any look. Plus, the craftsmanship reflects Colehaan's legacy of luxury and quality, dating back nearly a century, combining traditional artisan methods with modern innovation. The dimensions of the shoe are compact and designed for a low profile, so it doesn't overpower your outfit. It also caters to men who prefer a perfect fit without bulk. The sneaker's low shaft height ensures it sits comfortably below the ankle, offering freedom of movement and an understated silhouette. For those concerned about sizing, the sneaker comes in multiple sizes and offers a decent width fit, making it accessible for different foot shapes. It's imported, representing global craftsmanship with attention to detail that meets high standards. In terms of value, this sneaker falls within a moderate price range, balancing luxury with affordability. It's positioned as a fashion sneaker that doesn't sacrifice function for form, making it a smart investment for anyone looking to combine style, comfort, and durability in their footwear. If you want a sneaker that carries a legacy, has a polished look, and offers solid comfort technology, the Colehaan men's Grand Crosscourt 2 is definitely worth considering. It perfectly captures Colehaan's heritage of producing footwear that blends timeless style with innovative comfort. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more honest reviews on the best products out there. Thanks for watching.